Hi, so today I'm gonna teach you about the quadratic formula and the discriminant. So this is our quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And our discriminant is right here, b squared minus 4ac. So our lesson for today focuses on the discriminant and whether it is greater than, less than, or equal to 0. We will also learn about the nature of the roots or solutions of the quadratic equations. To find out the nature of the roots or solutions of the quadratic equations, we must first look at the discriminant and find out its value. If the discriminant is greater than 0, then the solution has two unequal real roots. So to find out the nature of the roots or the solutions of the quadratic equations, we must first look at the value of the discriminant and test whether it is greater than 0, less than 0, or equal to 0. So if our discriminant is greater than 0, the quadratic equation has two unequal real roots. If the value of the discriminant is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation has one real root. And if the value of the discriminant is less than 0, then the quadratic equation has two unequal imaginary or complex roots. So let's try the equation 2x squared plus 10x plus 3. Okay, so first what you want to do is to get the values of a, b, and c. Alright, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 10, and c is equal to 3. So now let's substitute. The formula of the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. And we will replace the variables with their corresponding values. So b is equal to 10. So 10 squared minus 4 multiplied by the values of a and c. Our value of a is 2, while the value of c is 3. So now we solve. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 10 squared is 100. Alright. Now we multiply 4 and 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. And subtract that to 100. So 100 minus 24 is 76. So now we can see that 76 is greater than 0. Kasi high school na tayo. Oo nga pala, no? Pwede pala Tagalog. Oh my God! Crap! So the value of 76 is greater than 0. So the equation has two unequal real roots. Yay! Charan! Yeah. Okay, yay! Okay, next. So now let's... Oh my God! So now let's use the example 5x squared plus 10x plus 5. Alright. Now, the first step is to get the values of a, b, and c. So a, b, c. The value of a is 5. The value of v... What? The value... The value of b is 10. And the value of c is 5 as well. Now get the formula of the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. And now let us substitute the values. So b is equal to 10, so 10 squared minus 4, open and close parenthesis, 5, then 5 again. Alright. Now we multiply the values inside the parentheses. So, 5 times 5 is 25. Ganun po sa parentheses. And 4. And 10 squared is 100. So, multiply this 2. 4 and 25. So, 4 times 25 is equal to 100. And now, bring down 100 as well. So, now we subtract. Do the remaining operations. So, 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. So, that means that 5x squared plus 10x plus 5 has 1, 0 root. See? Yay! So for our final example, we have 5x squared plus 5x plus 3. Alright, so get the values of a, b, and c. The value of a is 5, b is 5 as well, and c is 3. So, write down the formula for the discriminant. B squared minus 4ac. Substitute the values. B is equal to 5, so 5 squared minus 4. A is equal to 5 as well. And C is equal to 3. Now we solve. 5 times 3 is 15. So write down 4 for now. And 5 squared is 25. So now we multiply. 4 times 15, it is equal to 60. And bring down 25. So now, 25 minus 60 is negative 35. So all numbers that are negative are less than 0. So, negative 35 is less than 0. So therefore, the equation has two unequal imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. Yay! Bakit lagi kong ginagawa yun? So that's it. We've tackled all three nature of the roots or solutions of the quadratic equations. So thanks for watching, and kung iniisip nyo bakit nag-English lang ako, nakalimutan ko.